Welcome to Millionaires Club. Today, we're diving into how you can start freelancing and take control of your career. Step 1. Identify your skills. Are you good at writing with graphic design, web development, or social media management? Choose a niche that you are passionate about. Step 2. Create a strong online presence. Sign up on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Make sure your profile is complete with a professional photo, a detailed bio, and examples of your work. Step 3. Build a portfolio, even if you're just starting. Create sample projects to showcase your skills. This will help potential clients see what you can do. Step 4. Start applying for jobs. Write personalized proposals that highlight your skills and how you can solve the client's problem. Be clear, concise, and confident. Step 5. Network and market yourself. Join online communities, attend webinars, and use social media to connect with potential clients and other freelancers. Networking can open doors to new opportunities. Step 6. Deliver high-quality work. Once you land a job, deliver high-quality work on time. Communicate effectively with your clients and ask for feedback to improve. Step 7. Manage your finances. Keep track of your earnings and expenses. Consider using accounting software to manage your finances and ensure you're setting aside money for taxes. Step 8. Build your reputation. Ask satisfied clients for testimonials and reviews. Positive feedback can help you attract more clients. Step 9. Increase your rates gradually. As you gain experience and build your portfolio, gradually increase your rates. Remember, consistency and professionalism are key to a successful freelancing career. Step 10. Keep learning and improving. Stay updated with industry trends and continuously improve your skills. Take online courses, read industry blogs, and never stop learning. So, what are you waiting for? Start your freelancing journey today with Millionaires Club and take control of your future. And hit that subscribe button if you want to be part of the top 1%.